Okay, number 6. A is 0.04 and B is 0.80. The line L1 is parallel to x-axis. Line L2 passes through A and B. Okay, write down the equation of line L1. Okay, this is horizontal. That is y equal to 4. Okay, find equation of L2. Okay, so this is C. Radians. Coordinate. This is 0, 4. Okay, so M equal to, just write down the coordinate first. 0, 4, and 8, 0. So your M equal to 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 8. You should get negative 1 over 2. Therefore, y equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 4. Because here is 4, therefore the C is 4. Okay. C is 0.23. The line L3 passes through C and is perpendicular to L2. So perpendicular, you know, M1, M2 equal to negative 1. M2 equal to negative 1 over M1. So from here, M1 is equal to negative half. So M2 equal to negative 1 over negative half. You should get 2. So if M equal to 2 pass through 2, 3. So you get y equal to mx plus c. Y is 3 equal to m is 2. X is 2 plus c. 3 equal to 4 plus c. Therefore, your c should equal to negative 1. Therefore, equation y equal to 2x minus 1. L3 cross the x-axis at D. Find the length of CD. Cross x-axis mean is y equal to 0. The y equal to 2x minus 1. So 0 equal to 2x minus 1. Your x should equal to x equal to 1 over 2. So your coordinate is 1 over 2, 0. This is D. And C is 2, 3. For CD is equal to square root of 1 over 2 minus 2 square plus 0 minus 3 square. Calculate, you get 3.354. I hope this discussion will help you in your exam preparation. And remember, practice is the key. Good luck with your studies and don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Bye-bye.